This is not your grandmother's etiquette. Hi, I'm Heather Weiss Alexander, and I'm here to guide you on a little journey to modern day etiquette. Certain rules of etiquette remain unchanged, but contemporary culture has turned the modern social code on its head. I'm here to make it easy for you to understand the changes. Today, knowing what's appropriate is less about traditional etiquette and more about something I call social intelligence. A lot of it is something you're probably already doing naturally by assessing a situation and deciding what behaviors are appropriate, whether it's manners or kindness or directness. Our real-time, fast-paced, always-on-camera culture has become accepting of the brash, even the offensive. So it's good to have some modern etiquette guidelines in your toolkit. Here's the truth. Especially today, modern etiquette and social intelligence are powerful. These tools create a sense of confidence, dignity, and leadership. They gesture genuine respect, which makes the people you interact with feel comfortable. They eliminate confusion, which lowers anxiety, and most important, they make you look smart, and a little bit of that can go a long way. Now, you don't have to become a rule freak. Following every rule to the T would make you unrelatable, even a little awkward. But if your goal is powering forward with a new career or a new group of friends, let's dust off Grandma's ancient etiquette list and figure out what to keep and what to cross off. This series is designed to empower you in any social situation, be it casual or formal, to help you push forward and raise your social intelligence quotient, your social IQ. There's a lot to cover, so stay tuned, enjoy the journey, and sign up for our email list if you would like videos emailed to you. I'm excited. Let's get started.